Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make some cute notebooks. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm taking 2 strips of white sheet and of following measurements. Taking one strip and folding it like this. You have to do the same thing on the second strip also. Now take out the second strip and stick it to the first one. So now you can see all the pages are arranged. Now I'm taking a wire forming sheet and making its cover. Now mark out the size of your notebook and then cut it out. So now it's time to stick them. Yay! Our notebook is almost ready. So it's time to decorate our notebook. So I am going to draw a rainbow here. It's time to color. Ta-da! Our notebook is ready. Now I'm going to make another notebook. So I'm going to do the same process with this notebook also, as you have seen before. For decorating this notebook, I have cut down some cute small ears and stick them to the notebook. It's coloring time. So these are the 2 notebooks which I made today, and this brown one is of same kind. Yay! Our notebook is ready. If you want to see how I made these 3 notebooks, you can see my previous video. I'm giving the link of that video right here. Thanks for watching.